Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for an awesome tire for your mountain bike that is going to take you on all the terrain, definitely check out this one. This is the Maxxis Aggressor mountain bike tire in 29 inches by 2.5 inches wide. And we really love this tire. So we have it here on the back wheel of my husband's mountain bike. He does a lot of downhill, high-speed mountain biking, lots of rugged terrain, some jumps, some slopes, all kinds of things. And this tire really gives awesome stability and control. The tread has been specifically designed to give you a ton of grip, and even on those rocky, muddy conditions, it is ready to hang on. These are also tubeless ready, so you can securely lock them to the rim with or without an inner tube. So it gives you some options there. So we've just been really happy with the performance of this tire. And I always feel better knowing that he has really quality tires on his bike when he is out riding. So I do not think you'll be disappointed with this Maxxis tire, and that's my point of view.